Visibility is a property that selects a visible state of objects. There are three states: visible, hidden, and collapsed. Select visible to display an object. Select hidden to hide an object. The range of the object is retained. Select collapsed to minimize an object. The range of the object is also minimized. Use the collapsed property when placing an object on stack panel, dock panel, and uniform grid. Minimizing an object allows you to dynamically change a screen layout. Bind the visibility property with source property. Enter 0 for visible, 1 for hidden, and 2 for collapsed. This video describes how to use visible and hidden. The visibility property is at the Shape, Size Location tab. The current setting is visible. Pop-up window is displayed in operation. Select Hidden for the visibility property. The pop-up window is hidden. Visibility can be operated with variables. For example, open the variables list and add a bool variable. Bind the registered value 1 bool variable with the visibility property of the pop-up window. Bind value 1 with the lump in the same way to enable toggle operation of value 1. Bind value 1 with a numeric display as well to see a state. Set the bool variable to 0 for visible of pop-up window and to 1 for hidden. Also, it is possible to display the pop-up using a converter when bool is 1. Here is how to do it. Open the converters list and register the range converter. Select Boolean for source and result data type. Change the property to true when bool is false and to false for the others. Add the created range converter to the already bound value 1 variable. Set the bool variable to 0 for hidden of pop-up window and to 1 for visible.